Welcome back to Auto Rider. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, because here we bring you the most authentic motorcycle reviews and updates from across the USA. Today, we're taking a closer look at a machine that has been a legend for decades, a bike known for bulletproof reliability, extreme durability, and unmatched off-road capability. This is the 2026 Honda XR650L. The XR650L has always been a symbol of simplicity and old-school adventure riding. In a world where motorcycles are filled with electronics, riding modes, and complex systems, the XR650L still stands proud as a true mechanical warrior. And that's exactly why so many riders love it. The 2026 model carries the same spirit forward, keeping the classic design alive while offering slight refinements to make it even more enjoyable for long-term use. The bike is powered by Honda's iconic 640cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, a motor known for running forever with minimal maintenance. It's not the fastest engine out there, but it delivers strong low-end torque, a smooth power curve, and enough punch to handle everything from forest trails to long desert stretches. The air-cooled setup also means no radiator to break, no complex cooling system to worry about, just simple, rugged performance. The suspension remains one of the bike's strongest points. Long travel front forks and a Pro-Link rear shock give the XR650L the freedom to glide over rough terrain. Whether you're tackling rocky climbs, muddy trails, or broken back roads, the bike feels planted and confident. Its tall stance and high ground clearance make it ideal for riders who want a machine that can go anywhere without hesitation. One thing riders appreciate about the XR650L is just how customizable it is. Want a long-distance adventure build? Add racks, a bigger tank, and soft luggage. Want a hardcore off-road machine? Install upgraded tires, reinforced handlebars, and protection plates. It's a blank canvas for every type of rider, which is why this bike still has a massive fan base even after so many years. The 2026 model keeps the traditional look intact, retro styling, steel frame, minimalist bodywork, but Honda includes small refinements like improved seat foam, better lighting, and slight updates to durability components. Nothing major has changed, and honestly, that's exactly what XR lovers want. This bike is not about fancy features. It's about pure riding freedom. On the road, the XR650L feels tall, tough, and commanding. Off-road, it feels like home. It's the kind of bike that invites you to explore further, push harder, and keep going long after the paved roads end. And with Honda's reputation for reliability, you know the XR650L will keep running year after year. If you're someone who values simplicity, strength, and real adventure riding, the 2026 Honda XR650L remains one of the best choices in the dual sport world. Thanks for watching Auto Rider. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your riding buddies. I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe, ride free.